Hi, welcome to Concept Arena. In this video, we'll discuss about the clarification issued by CBIC regarding the determination of place of supply in case of software/design services. So this is circular number 118/37/2019, dated 11th October 2019. So इस केस में क्या है, सबसे पहले एक सप्लायर है, ही इज़ इन महाराष्ट्र, इंडिया, एंड द रिसिपेंट इज़ लोकेटेड इन non-taxable territory, that is USA, overseas. Okay, so this recipient is a product manufacturer. ये कोई एक प्रोडक्ट बनाता है in which he uses some kind of softwares which is supplied by the supplier in Maharashtra, India. Okay, so he is a product manufacturer. Say he is manufacturing a robot. Okay, for which he needs some software, okay, along with some integrated circuits. Okay, so he will provide some hardware. This recipient will provide some hardware to the supplier. ठीक है, सप्लायर कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर डिज़ाइन करेगा, डेवलप करेगा और इस हार्डवेयर पे उसको टेस्ट करके he will supply to the recipient, for which the recipient is providing what? A prototype hardware for testing. Okay, so this is the service that the recipient will supply a prototype hardware along with IP blocks. What is IP block? IP blocks are reusable units of software logic and design layouts. Okay, so this is IP block. He will supply along with prototype hardware to the supplier. Then supplier will design a software and test it on this hardware and return it to the recipient. Fine. So ये सप्लाई है, सप्लाई ऑफ सर्विस है. अब ये सप्लाई ऑफ सर्विस है तो दिस इज़ क्लासिफाइड इनटू अ कंपोजिट सप्लाई, बिकॉज दो टाइप की सप्लाई है, एक तो सॉफ्टवेयर डिज़ाइन भी है और टेस्टिंग भी है. बट प्रिंसिपल सप्लाई क्या है? सॉफ्टवेयर डिज़ाइनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट. एंसिलरी सप्लाई इज टेस्टिंग ऑन हार्डवेयर. सो एज वी नो, एज पर सेक्शन 8 ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ कंपोजिट सप्लाई, दैट सप्लाई विल बी ऑफ प्रिंसिपल सप्लाई. So here the principal supply is what? Software designing and development. So it will be is classified as software design and development. Fine. Now place of supply. Place of supply will be determined as per section 13 subsection 2 residuary category. Okay, so it will be location of the recipient, that is in this case USA. Also this service will be classified as export and will be classified to get the benefit of 0 rated. Fine. So this is the clarification. In simple words, a recipient is supplying some kind of intellectual property blocks and a hardware for testing. The supplier is supplying the software design development service and also testing. So this is a component supply in which the principal supply is software design development, and as per section 8 this will classify as principal supply, and the place of supply will be determined as per section 13 subsection 2, which is the location of recipient, and thus the service will classify for export and will get benefit of 0 rated. Okay, so hope you understood the clarification. Thank you.